Welcome to Natural Healing Guides. If you want to know all the powerful medicinal benefits of green tea, sit tight and watch this video to the end. We are going to explore green tea nutritional facts, 23 powerful health benefits of green tea and some safety precautions you should take. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more natural health videos. Green tea has long been used in China for its medicinal properties. The herb is popular among Asian herbalists as it is used for treating stress and its symptoms, among other health conditions. Nowadays, green tea is quite common in the Western world as people continue to embrace it as a natural remedy for many of today's health problems. Like many other teas, green tea is gotten from the herbal plant, Camellia sinensis, which is native to Asian countries like China and Japan. Black tea and oolong are also gotten from this plant, but green tea offers the most health benefits among the three. This is due to the fact that while the other teas undergo fermentation, green tea does not, thus, retaining most of its potency. Green tea nutritional facts. Green tea is made by pouring the leaves of the herb into boiling water. This wonderful healthy beverage contains little amounts of caffeine that helps in calming the nerves. Green tea contains no calories, which makes it a good recipe for persons on a weight-reducing regimen. This herbal medicine is rich in many vitamins including vitamins A, C, D, E, H, K, and B vitamins. It is also packed with antioxidants and important minerals such as selenium, manganese, and zinc. Other important elements in green tea are polyphenols, theophylline, and tannin. It has been proven that epigallocatechin 3 gallate, EGCG, which is a type of polyphenol found in green tea, is effective in the treatment of many health problems. This chemical compound may be the reason behind the potency of green tea. Forms of green tea. There are different forms of green tea that include green tea supplements, loose leaf, green tea bags as well as in bottles. That being said, it is common to find green tea supplements in the form of powders and liquid extracts. Health benefits of consuming green tea. There are many benefits that the body will derive from the consumption of green tea. It is important to state, however, that sugar and milk should not be added to green tea before drinking. This is because of the fact that sugar will inhibit the efficacy of the drink while milk may lower the effectiveness of the antioxidants. Having said that, let's explore some of the numerous health benefits of drinking green tea. Good for the mouth. Green tea possesses antibacterial properties that help in the treatment of oral problems like halitosis and tooth decay. The presence of catechin, which is an antioxidant, helps in killing the bacteria that cause tooth decay as well as other harmful microbes in the mouth. As a laxative, constipation sufferers can benefit greatly from consuming green tea. The laxative property of green tea is what makes it recommended for promoting bowel movements in people dealing with constipation. For treating digestive problems. Beyond its use as a laxative, green tea is also used for its inflammatory properties for the treatment of digestive problems such as IBD, inflammatory bowel disease. For cancer prevention. Cancer cells can be killed by the anti-carcinogenic action of green tea. Esophageal cancer, which affects the esophagus, can be prevented by drinking green tea. Moreover, it has been found that other types of cancer can be prevented and reduced by the consumption of green tea. Helps in lowering cholesterol level. Bad cholesterol levels can be reduced by consuming green tea. This also works by effectively balancing the good cholesterol to bad cholesterol ratio. Good for the skin. Green tea helps to protect the skin as well as to make it glow. Topical application of green tea to the skin has been found to be an effective protection against the harmful rays of the sun. Apart from this, drinking green tea helps in dealing with the effects of aging on the skin such as wrinkles. This is possible due to the action of antioxidants from green tea on free radicals in the body. For treating psoriasis. Psoriasis is a skin disease that is characterized by redness and irritation of the skin. Consuming green tea can be helpful for persons dealing with this skin disorder as the antioxidants in the tea aid in reducing the symptoms. For treating dark circles around the eyes. The presence of caffeine and tannin in green tea help in the treatment of dark circles and puffy eyes. Green tea is also effective in preventing and treatment of acne on the face. For lowering blood pressure. Regular consumption of green tea has been proven to have a relationship with regulated blood pressure. This, in turn, helps to protect the heart from heart-related diseases such as coronary heart disease. For strengthening the bones. Green tea contains essential minerals for bone formation, which makes it good for strengthening the bones. A lack of these vital minerals can lead to bone degeneration problems such as osteoporosis and osteoarthritis. For promoting fluid flow. Even though the caffeine content in green tea is not so much, it still helps in promoting the flow of fluid in the body. This is because of the fact that caffeine is a diuretic, a substance that stimulates the flow of urine. As a mood booster. The symptoms of stress and anxiety can be controlled by drinking green tea. If you are feeling depressed, you can up your mood by gulping a glass of green tea. The presence of theanine in green tea helps in stimulating the release of dopamine in the brain. As a treatment for colds and flu. Hot tea helps in increasing the general body temperature, which is essential in fighting off colds and flu. In addition, green tea is rich in antioxidants which have antimicrobial properties helpful in combating the bacteria and viruses that cause the flu and cold. For improving cognitive functions. There are research results that point out the effectiveness of green tea consumption in improving brain functioning. So, if you are having a mental block or you just want to improve your memory, you should remember to drink green tea every day. Even more, the consumption of this tea can help to improve mental alertness. Protects the brain from the effects of aging. Aging-related brain disorders such as Parkinson's disease, dementia, and Alzheimer's disease can be reduced or prevented by the consumption of green tea. As a remedy for heart disease. Research supports the fact that consuming green tea is healthy for the human heart. Green tea benefits the heart by relaxing the veins and arteries connected to the heart as well as in preventing abnormal blood clotting. For prevention of stroke. A recent study proved that consuming a mixture of green tea and coffee can help in lowering the risks of stroke. Regular consumption of either of the drinks is also said to be effective in preventing the occurrence of a stroke. Stimulates the action of probiotics. The polyphenols in green tea help in promoting the activity of beneficial bacteria in the body while reducing the action of bad bacteria. For treating inflammation. Green tea has anti-inflammatory properties that make it a good choice for the treatment of inflammations in the body such as internal hemorrhoids. For controlling blood sugar levels. Drinking green tea helps to stimulate the breaking down of sugar in the body, hence, lowering blood sugar level. The polyphenols in green tea help to control the sugar level in the blood, which is particularly important for diabetes patients. For treating diabetes. Some studies have shown that the risk of type 2 diabetes development can be reduced by drinking green tea. Helps in weight loss. Consuming green tea helps in increasing the body's metabolic rate, thereby, converting the excess fat in the body. For long life. If you care very much about your health and you want to live long on Earth, then you should not joke with drinking green tea. All the green tea benefits we have explored ultimately result in the elongation of the lifespan of man. A recent study also attests to this fact. Side effects and risks of consuming green tea. Although green tea is highly nutritious to the body and has little or no side effect, it contains caffeine in small amounts. This makes excessive consumption of the tea to be inadvisable as there is the risk of caffeine buildup which can be dangerous for the body. It is recommended that pregnant women and lactating mothers should take green tea in small quantities, if they have to, or avoid it altogether. Other groups of people that should avoid consuming green tea include people with kidney disorders, stomach ulcer patients, and those suffering from heart problems. It is also advised that green tea should not be taken when you are on a medication that includes a stimulant drug and anticoagulant drugs, as green tea can affect the functioning of the drugs. In conclusion, green tea offers many health benefits with little or no side effects, especially when consumed moderately and appropriately. Nevertheless, it is advised that you consult with a doctor before choosing to take the herbal beverage. Remember to subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell for more natural health videos.